What are our bodies made of? Our bodies consist of trillions, some have more, of cells, the most basic building component of life. Single-celled and multi-celled living organisms are things that can conduct self-sustaining activities. They are designed to do all of the basic necessities of life, such as moving, breathing, growing, reproducing, seizing nutrients, releasing waste, responding to external environment, and staring at cell phones. All cells are organized from the atomic level to all its larger forms, similar to how molecules bonds make bigger macromolecules, and how promising to take just one scoop of protein leads to muscle indulgence and liver failure. Cells consist of the most popular element for life, lead. Just kidding, it's carbon. The carbon atom can easily bond with other elements, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, to form long chain and more complex macromolecules. 4 macromolecules your body constantly deals with, excluding alcohol, you smart carousers, are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids, or DNA and RNA. These are the structural and functional units of cells, and therefore your entire body. Cells consist of organelles, which are components constructed from several macromolecules bonded together, and serve structural and functional necessities. A typical animal cell, what we're made of, is exactly like a sweatshop. It contains a variety of organelles, such as the nucleus or the boss, which contains the genetic material DNA and tells everyone what to do. The ribosomes are sweatshop workers, which produce protein. They knit the clothes. The mitochondria,
powerhouse of the cell.
The manager, which generates energy, make sure the workers don't stop working. The endoplasmic reticulum, with the sweatshop packaging personnel, which is a packaging transporting facility. They package the clothes for delivery. The Golgi Apparatus, or the sweatshop delivery personnel, which distributes macromolecules. They deliver the clothes. And lysosomes and peroxisomes, which are the security. They digest or break down macromolecules and destroy foreign invaders. They make sure the cops don't find out about their operation and kill anyone who tries to free the workers. All the organelles are held hostage in the cell's cytoplasm, called a cytoskeleton, a room with no windows, one door, and cameras and megaphones in each corner of the room. They are isolated from its surrounding environment by a plasma membrane, 2 floors underground on a deserted island to enhance security. You as a human being have been distinguished because 2 cells that contain all of your DNA or genetic information united inside your mother's womb to create new life. DNA will be discussed in another video. Not sure why it's called cell division when cells multiply, but pre-existing cells divide into to create new cells. These cells divide and differentiate with each other into cells of specific roles, eventually forming your body's skin, bones, blood, tissues, organs, and organ systems. Although each of your trillions of cells are self-sufficient, they are dependent upon each other's cells in your body to fulfill its needs. This begs the question, if cells need pre-existing cells to spawn, where did the first cell come from? Cells of multicellular organisms are grouped in levels. First level are single cells. There are hundreds of types of cells in the human body, such as blood cells and nerve cells. Every cell in an individual contains the same genetic information in DNA. However, the cell's specific structure and function determines what genetic codes are expressed. Red blood cells do red blood cell stuff, like carry oxygen. Nerve cells do nerve cell stuff, like making you angry over stupid things. Tissues are groups of cells that have common structure and function. They work together to complete certain bodily functions. 4 basic types of human tissues are muscle, which contracts for movement and support, nerve, which responds and reacts to signals in the environment, connective, which connects tissues, and epithelial, which lines and protects organs. Organs are groups of tissues arranged in a specific way to support physiological function. Examples of organs are the brain, liver, and heart. People harvest organs and not organ systems. Why? Organ systems are 2 or more organs that support a specific physiological function. These are a lot harder to harvest. The 11 organ systems in the human body are ruined scrim. This stands for respiratory, urinary, immune, nervous, endocrine, digestive, skeletal, cardiovascular, reproductive, integumentary, muscular. If you have a ruined scrim in a sweatshop, let's just say you won't be making it home at night. The final level is an organism. An organism is the makeup of these systems to conduct all of life's biological necessities. Check out this channel for the entire nutrition course or other educational videos, or if you cannot think of anything better to do.